Hello, welcome to the Daily Message. Throughout this week, I want to discuss a topic that was very familiar to my generation of Catholics, and that topic is grace. When I was a kid, we talked about grace and were taught about grace often, and we were taught about sanctifying grace and actual grace. But grace is not something that we hear so much about anymore. And so I want to discuss grace in its most basic terms. That grace is simply a gift from God. And grace is a gift that we give to each other and that we receive from each other on a daily basis. And so grace for us is both an opportunity for us to share God's love with those around us. It's also a challenge for us to share God's love with those around us. And so the question that I want to leave with you this morning and that we will discuss throughout the week is, how can we be grace for each other? How can we be God's gifts to each other in our everyday lives? Thank you very much for watching today, and I hope you join us again tomorrow for the Daily Message.